Vicki Spencer is taking her children's health to a whole new level.
If they can have these healthy cells.
She's talking about stem cells, those tiny powerhouses that morph into new skin, new hearts, new stomachs.
My kids are so young, so, the advances are, they're coming.
Actually, the advances are here. Take a look at this. Small livers have been grown by scientists at the Center for Regenerative Medicine at the University of Edinburgh. Just about 2 hours from here at Cincinnati Children's Hospital Medical Center, human intestinal tissue has been grown from stem cells. And miniature human hearts have been grown in the lab at the University of Pittsburgh.
They've regrown teeth to the point, whole teeth, where they've transplanted them into pigs.
This is Mike Byers. He owns the Tooth Bank, a series of super-cooled vats storing stem cells that could be used for growing just about any organ.
They can pretty much be given the right growth factors, developed into just about any cell type you would need for your body for any kind of regenerative cell therapy.
The question always is, what's the best source of stem cells? Embryonic, pretty much off limits. Umbilical cord blood could be used, but you can't grow those cells as easily. Mike Byers says the best source may be teeth.
The best source is second or third molars or wisdom teeth. The amount of tissue you get from the interior cavity of the wisdom tooth.
In other words, they grow, and they can be changed by applying a chemical trigger. The stem cells from the wisdom tooth can actually produce new kinds of tissue. That's the mystery and the magic of stem cells found on the inside of a tooth.
We think it's a good thing for the future.
Dr. Matt Bojarab is an oral surgeon. He extracts the wisdom teeth, places them in a small container, boxes them up, and sends them off to Byers Tooth Bank. Once they're at the bank, the tooth is split, the cells inside are cleaned of bacteria, slipped into a vial, and stored at minus 196 degrees centigrade.
The opportunity is it's priceless at this point.
Is it priceless? We asked Dr. Keith March at the IU Medical School about the idea of banking teeth.
I don't think that it's a bad idea. If you have some disposable income, it's not unreasonable to say this is a kind of insurance. But do we know yet that it's going to be used or how? No, and we don't even know how the regulation will work.
Vicki Spencer is betting that stem cells just might be the best investment she's ever made.
We buy insurance for our kids and for ourselves with the hope that we don't have to use it maybe. And so I kind of hope that it never has to be used.